Hey, plant lovers! Welcome back to Succulents Box's YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most popular houseplants out there, Pothos N Joy. With its heart-shaped leaves splashed in creamy white and lush green, Pothos N Joy is a true statement plant. A quick heads up, Pothos N Joy is toxic to pets and humans if ingested. It contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can irritate the mouth and digestive system. So, if you have curious cats, dogs, or little ones running around, keep this plant out of reach. If accidental ingestion happens, rinse the mouth with water and contact a medical professional or veterinarian for guidance. When it comes to lighting, Pothos N Joy loves bright, indirect light. Unlike its fully green cousins, this variegated beauty needs more light to maintain its signature creamy white and green pattern. The white parts of the leaves don't produce chlorophyll, so without enough light, your plant might start reverting to solid green. Indoors, place it near a bright window. East or north-facing is best. If you only have west or south-facing windows, use sheer curtains to filter the light and prevent leaf burn. If your home doesn't get much natural light, a grow light is a great option to keep your pothos looking lush and vibrant. Too much harsh light can lead to crispy brown edges. Pothos N Joy prefers moderate watering, meaning you should let the top inch of soil dry out before watering again. Overwatering is the biggest mistake people make with this plant. Too much moisture can lead to root rot, which can be fatal if not caught early. During winter, the plant's growth slows down, so you'll need to water it even less. Keep an eye on the soil and adjust your schedule accordingly. This plant thrives in well-draining a soil that retains some moisture without getting soggy. A high-quality potting mix with perlite or sand is perfect for maintaining the right balance. As for fertilizer, feeding your pothos regularly will boost its growth and keep the leaves vibrant. During spring and summer, fertilize once a month with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Organic options like compost tea or slow-release fertilizers also work great. In fall and winter, reduce fertilizing to every 2-3 months or stop altogether since the plant's growth slows down during these seasons. Pothos N Joy is a tropical plant, so it loves warmth and humidity. Ideally, keep temperatures between 65°F and 85°F. It won't tolerate frost, so if you're growing it outdoors in a cooler climate, make sure to bring it inside before temperatures drop below 50°F. Humidity-wise, this plant does just fine in average household conditions, but if your air is particularly dry, consider misting it occasionally, placing a small humidifier nearby, or grouping it with other plants to create a more humid microclimate. This will help prevent browning leaf tips and keep the foliage looking lush. Pothos N Joy loves a snug pot, but eventually it will outgrow its container. Repot every 1-2 years, or when you notice roots poking out of the drainage holes. Spring is the best time to repot since the plant is in its active growing phase. When repotting, go only one size up. Choosing a pot that's too large can lead to overwatering issues. This plant tends to grow long vines, which can start looking leggy if not trimmed regularly. To keep it bushy and full, prune back any long, scraggly vines just above a leaf node. This encourages new growth and branching, making your plant look fuller. Remove any yellow or damaged leaves as well, so your plant can focus its energy on healthy foliage. Plus, those trimmings, they're perfect for propagation. Speaking of propagation, Pothos N Joy is one of the easiest plants to propagate. Just take a cutting with at least 1 or 2 nodes, remove the lower leaves, and pop it into water or soil. If propagating in water, change the water every few days to keep it fresh. In a few weeks, roots will start to form, and once they're about 1 inch long, you can transfer the cutting into soil. Pests like mealybugs or spider mites might show up, especially if the plant is stressed. Wipe them away with a cotton swab dipped in alcohol, or use neem oil to prevent infestations. And there you have it, everything you need to keep your Pothos N Joy thriving. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.